Hi everyone, this is Mike with a brief video about getting started using our Blackboard platform to navigate through important pieces of the course. So I'm here in the main Blackboard page. You should see something like this when you first log into Blackboard, and you can see your courses hopefully near the top of that page. And here's our course, Math 230, Section 231. So when you click on that, you will be taken to an announcements page. And by the time you are watching this video, you should be seeing announcements here that I've already posted and sent to you via email. So the announcements link is what you arrive at when you first log into our course page. And you should, when you start in Blackboard, click on the menu link that says Start Here. And you can see there's a course description at the top, followed by a welcome video, which my hope is you have already watched, but in case you have not watched that video, I recommend to you strongly to watch it sooner rather than later. And then a description about how we're primarily going to be using Blackboard for virtual office hours. Most of the course will take place in My Open Math, but we will use Blackboard Collaborate in order to meet during virtual office hours. So you can see that I'll be meeting with folks on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays between 2 and 3 p.m. during the summer session. So you can certainly just drop in to the Blackboard Collaborate at those times, or if you'd like to meet one-on-one, we can arrange an appointment, and we'll meet in the same place, but it will be just a one-on-one appointment that way. There's also some information following that about getting started in My Open Math. You will need information related to the course ID and the enrollment key. Both of those pieces of information are critical for getting access to our course materials. I'll say more about that in a video related to getting started in My Open Math. And then some information about netiquette, about appropriate behavior in a web class, and minimum technology requirements, minimum technical skills, which most of the time folks in a class like this one don't have too much trouble with. The next menu item is a little information about me. There's a little picture of me in case you want to remember what I look like. Information about campus office hours. Those should be virtual office hours, actually. And then a little bit of background about me. Finally, a couple of links. This link here takes you to your email where you can send me a message, but I'll also respond to messages that you send me through My Open Math. And then there's a link here for the virtual office hours. This link will take you to the exact same place as this link in the left main course menu will take you, and I'll go there in just a few minutes. There's also links to the syllabus and the schedule, so you can see the links there. You can click on the syllabus link. This will take you to the suggested course schedule, which gives you ideas about things you should be working on pretty much every day during the summer session. And then there's also a calendar link, which takes you to the My Open Math calendar, which also provides suggestions for what you should be working on a daily basis during the course. I'll say more also about the calendar when I talk about the My Open Math structure in a different video. Finally, in Blackboard is this My Open Math link, which takes you to a login if you click on this link. And inside this folder will be videos about getting started, including a video about learning how to navigate the My Open Math platform. So be sure to check that out if you're unfamiliar with My Open Math. So finally, I'll just click on this virtual office hours link just to show you what you should expect when you click on that. And there is a set of instructions followed by a video that you can use in case you're unfamiliar with Collaborate. But even if you've never used it before, it's actually pretty easy to use. You just click on the link here, and then it will take you to this page where if you click on the little icon with the three dots here, you can click on Join Course Room. And when you do that, it will take you to a page that looks like this. Sometimes it takes a moment or two to load. And you can see that you have an opportunity, like a Zoom call, to share your audio, to share your video. You can raise your hand as though we were in class. And in this panel over here, there's a way to share your screen, to chat with members of the class or with everyone, and some other things that will be useful during those office hours should you decide to take advantage of them. So I'm going to move out of there for a moment and just remind you that Blackboard is a great place to start the course, but you should be spending most of your time in My Open Math unless you'd like to visit me during virtual office hours. Good luck.